Well, we'll create a new project on SaAM. That's here on add, and all the things you will done here can be changed for most of the things after. Project name, Pink Floyd. There are some fields necessary, and on first deadline we'll choose that. Production, it's not necessary, but okay. Barrett, director, it's not necessary, but you can choose. I will take my own name. And nomenclature, this is you will not see that for normal user, but this is labeling. How can I explain? For example, if you think you will have more than 1,000 shot, choose for dièse for this symbol, and if you don't know, choose nothing. Departments, the departments were configured before in some configuration. This is quite important to, if you don't know, choose all the things, but in this project I will choose for shot just anim lighting. For scene, I know there will be keyframe on mocap and VFX, and from asset modeling for sure, sculpting, rigging, no fears, and it's okay. You can add a quite a short description. I love Hyde Park. I know, Hyde, not Hyde, like that, Park. And we can choose the soft used. Okay, Blender, Ardour, and now we can add an icon for the project. Just drag and drop, or make done on next. I will try next. If you don't make next, you can change that after again. I choose next, and here you can add the people who will be working on the project, and after there's another step, and I will add Cedric, James. I can make me off. That's a wrong ID. I go there to find myself, like that, drag and drop, and etc etc. Next or done for next step. And next step is for structuration, something like administration. And you can directly add sequences. That can be very practical to be to begin the project. I think there will be 3 sequences, and like that. This is a labeling, and you can change the term of the sequences. For example, first term I will say, okay, English people with crying. Let's say first Dublin, but in real this is right labeling. Second, I will say Wellington, NZ, windy, etc etc. You can directly add shot here in the cases, and it's done. Something very important, your project is creating. You are going directly to right here is same spaces or area as admin project. I can click again, admin project, and very important, you see your project, but nobody, only you will see your project. why we are thought about that you can prepare a project and you don't perhaps want to want that other people can use the project before the project was finished. If you want that the project will be seen by all the people here, you will the people which have created the project will always can see the project in administration. But if you want that all the people see that, there's something very important, that the light icon here. If you don't click on light icon, nobody will see that. I click on there and it's okay, and my project is here. That's all.